So, how is Loi Kroh Road in this beginning of the rainy season? It's wet. Ha ha ha. It's me, Jacques, here reporting for you. How is Loi Kroh Road in a rainy season? Oh, can you hear me? Flip the camera. Okay, yeah, the thing with the phone talk with the rain, if you're in, you're in. Yes. You will not go out voluntarily. See. What's happening with the light? Can you hear me through this music? They turn up the music because the rain it rains down on the corrugated roof, the koolplaatjes. Yeah, then they turn up the volume. So yeah, probably you don't hear anything what I say. You don't miss that much. You don't miss that much. The things I tell you. Yeah, the rainy. What you doing? Rainy season just started this week. They're predicting some storm. That's why they're cutting the trees, the mango trees. Most of them, the mango trees, I see them cut. Yeah, it's the time of year. Rainy season just started. And last week it did rain every other day, but not that long. And okay, tonight it's raining too. And that was I was telling the people who are in, they are in. They will not go out, but other people, they are somewhere else. They don't come in because they are somewhere else. Is that logic? It sounds logic, isn't it? So when it's busy in the bar, it stays busy in the bar, but yeah, it's not busy. It's early, it's still early, it's late afternoon, something like that. Yes, here we are, Cherry Bar, Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai, Thailand, waiting for you. That's what we, yeah, waiting for you. Check out the shorts, all those shorts. We're waiting to go viral, but they are quite popular. There are some of them that reach the 10,000 views. Here, did you see the ball? It goes so fast. But most of the time those showers don't last that long. No. The big drops are gone already, I think. And that's rainy season. It can rain. It can rain rather hard, but most of the time it's only for a short time. Don't let it hold you back, eh? Yeah, she's faking it. So yeah, it doesn't have to hold you back. It's temperature and daytime is better than before. Did you see the ball? Yeah, it's not. It's a good time. Yeah, every time is a good time to come over here. I'm sure. Every time of year is a good time. And I can. Oh yeah. Oh, they did. They have to share the stick. What's with the? There's only one good stick, I think. I have to mark the stick. I have to mark the stick to know which one it is. Yeah. Now this. It's too easy, yeah. Huh? She's faking it. See, Loi Kroh Road entry. If you have your umbrella. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. The rain already stopped. So that's the sentiment. Every time you're here, it's a good time to come over, have a good time. Have some fun, play some pool, just relax. Maybe boring, but it's relaxing.
บอกแล้ว
Yes
เนินนมไม่มีแต่เนินผีอะ
จะ
ลัง
มี
กาเอามาเหอะบอกคนนี้ก็แบ่งแล้ว
Yes, but okay, the rain, it's unpredictable. Now it is predicted there will be some summer storm, some storm, some heavy storm is predicted. Now I thought it was already gone, but it starts all over again. Do you hear? It's rather loud on the roof. Can you hear me? What? Yeah, okay. With rain, without rain, still can have a good time. Come over here, like and subscribe. Yes, Loi Kroh Road, beginning in the rainy season. It's already not busy, but yeah, when it rains, everybody who's in stays in and nobody goes out. But if you are in, you can have a good time. Jacques reporting for you here at Chiang Mai Nightlife. Thank you for tuning in as always. Just have a good time. Serious, it's a serious channel. We give you some serious information. Not legal, but serious. It's a little disclaimer. All I tell you is my humble meaning, and there is no truth behind it at all. Yes, doe er je voordeel mee. Have a good time. Yeah, if you're in, you're in. Have a good time, play some pool. Have some other game, some 4 in a row, something like that. Yeah, just enjoy, relax, without stress. They sound boring to you, yeah? But that's depending on how exciting your life is, huh? Doesn't fit the frame. Can you hear me with this music? Yeah, that's sometimes that's the thing. If I get serious, you cannot hear what I tell you. But, in my humble opinion, November should be the best time in the year to come over to Chiang Mai. But every period has its charms. Now after Songkran, when the rain is starting, they say rainy season, it has its charm too, because the rain cools down a little bit, everything's fresh, and all the dirt is cleaning, is floating away. Then at the end of the rainy season, then we can have a problem with too much water, but for now it's okay. It's good for the plants, we say. So still, there's nothing holding you back. Huh? There's nothing holding you back. You just gonna come over here, have a good time. It doesn't fit the frame. It doesn't fit the frame. Yeah, we have a winner. These are the best shots. Check out the Shorts channel for videos like this, setting up a new game, having a good time. There's a separate short channel with videos like that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Just like and subscribe, and I see you later. What's happening with the light? Where's the camera? Good.